Crafty be here. Today we're gonna be reading Big Bird's first book of letters, ABC. Let's get reading. Let's learn our ABCs today with Big Bird's first book of letters. A, Abby, apple, ant. B, Big Bird, brush, butterflies, bat, and bubbles. C, cat, Cookie Monster, cookies, cat. D, Dorothy, drum. E, Elmo, eggs. Well, F, flamingo, fish, flowers. G, rover, guitar, globe, grapes, yum. H, hat, heart, and horn. I, island, ice cream, yum. J, jacket, and jam, double yum. K, kite, key, ching. Kangaroo, boing boing. L, lion, roar. Ladybugs, crawl. Leaves, rustle rustle. M, monkeys, mittens. N, notes. O, Oscar, octopus, ornaments. P, pigeon, peridot, pail. Q, quarter, flip, quilt. R, rubber ducky, Rosita, rug. S, slimy, sunglasses, Snuffy, spider. T, twiggle bugs. Telly, turtle. U, umbrella, umpire. V, Valentine, violin. B, mine. W, watermelon, yum. Wheat, for making bread and also other things. X, xylophone. Yarn for Y, yogurt. Z, zebra, Zoe. And A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Next time, won't you sing with me with our ABCs?